Okay, next. Filipino Homes Realty has a listing of single detached house for which 39 have either three-car garage or a guest room. 31 have a guest room and 18 have both a three-car garage and a guest room. How many of these homes have a three-car garage? So for this problem, we have to recognize though, that we can answer this problem through Venn diagram. No? So tawagin na lang natin muna yung set na A representing yung merong mga three-car garage. Tapos tawagin ko na B yung set na merong guest room. So pag dinrawing natin yung Venn diagram, something like this. Okay? So ito kunwari yung merong three-car garage, ito naman yung merong guest room. According to the problem, 18 have both, no? A and B. A and B. So merong both. So ibig sabihin 18 to. Yung common sa kanila. Okay? Tapos sabi rin dito, 13 have guest room. So 13 yung merong B. At I mean 31 pala. 31 have guest room. So ibig sabihin yan, lahat ng nasa loob nitong bilog na to, 31. Okay? So ibig sabihin yung may iwan dito sa labas, ibig sabihin itong nasa labas ay merong guest room pero walang three-car garage. No? So that is 31 minus 18. So that is 13. So meron lang tayong 13 dito. Okay? So ang hindi natin alam, or ang hinahanap sa atin, how many of this home have three-car garage? So yung nasa loob nito, nahanap natin yan. Okay, yung merong three-car garage. So bago yun, iset muna natin ito na X. Yung nasa labas. So ibig sabihin ng X ay merong three-car garage pero walang guest room. No? So ang idea, dapat kapag in-add ko to lahat, dapat equal yan doon sa total na 39. No? So ibig sabihin, 39 is equal to X plus 18 plus 13. Okay, solving for X, you have 39 minus 18 minus 13. So that gives us 8. So ibig sabihin, merong 8 na merong three-car garage pero walang guest room. So, ibig sabihin, yung total natin ngayon na merong three-car garage ay lahat ng merong three-car garage lang and lahat ng merong three-car garage and guest room. So, that would be 8 plus 18. Or that would give us 26. Okay, and that would be our answer to this problem.